Hopefully it all comes together like this. Oh, still not perfect yet. Oh, there we go. So it's gonna be kind of like this and go in there a little bit like that. It's gonna look really stupid, but practical. So we've all seen these before. You stick them on the tip of your exhaust and they make it quieter. But how do they actually work? And how much do they cost? And is this one that I just made in a few hours going to do the job? Well, basically the principle is that this outer cylinder is the diameter of my exhaust tip. So you can see that there's significantly more area that is being blocked from exiting, which means that a lot of sound waves are going to get trapped in this area and not be able to exit through the exhaust tip. And this is, as a result, going to reduce the amount of noise. So yes, it is going to reduce your airflow. As you can see, I have a, what is that, 3-inch, about 3 and a bit inch exhaust tip, which is going to be coming out through a now 1 3/8 inch exit. And I threw this together. I bent some sheet metal around a piece of sheet metal that I cut into a circle, which is the diameter of my exhaust tip. And I found this little exhaust adapter, which is 1 3/8 inch and 1 1/2 inch on this side, at my local hardware store. Got some high temperature JB Weld putty, which is good for up to 400 degrees apparently. And we're gonna drill some holes after, stick it on. Well, actually I'm gonna stick it on first, then drill some holes once I find out if it works or not. And we're gonna go from there. So let's go check out a cold start with this on.